Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix The Last of Us Part 1 audio not working or sound cutting out. So the first thing what you need to do here, you can restart the game and see if the problem fixed or not. So probably it's the most basic thing, and same thing if you are playing with controller, try to disconnect the controller and then restart the game and see if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem persists, then go to library, go to The Last of Us, go to properties, and make sure to verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted game files related to sound, and you can easily do that and verify integrity of the game files. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to sound mixer options here, and then you need to basically make sure that you selected the right output and it has quite a good amount of master volume, right? 60, 70, 80, you be good to go, right? And then on advanced sound options, make sure to run the game and then see advanced sound options here and make sure that let's see, this is The Last of Us, and make sure that the game is not on mute and also has the right amount of sound. And also you can basically select not default, but for example, your exact name of the gear here and see if the problem persists or not, right? And then if the problem persists, go to control panel here, go to playback, and then what you need to do here, you need to find your default basically audio thing or headphones or the sound system that you're using. Right click on it, go to properties, check the levels, of course, here, make sure that it's not on mute, and then make sure to select this one, 2-channel 24-bit and 48,000 Hertz studio quality. And also on exclusive mode, make sure to check these two boxes, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority, right? Make sure to use basically select these two options, and on spatial sound, make sure to turn that off. Then press apply and OK. And if the problem persists, then what you can do here, you can update your operating system. So here, check for updates and press check for updates here. And if there is an update for you that need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer and see if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, then what you can do here, you can go to device manager, and then you can go to, as you can see here, audio inputs and outputs, and basically update your output drivers. So I'm using this one. What I need to do here is to, if you don't know what basically hardware you're using, you can update them all, but I know what I'm using, so I will right click on it, go to update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if there is a driver that needs to be installed, please install it, and it should fix your audio problems, basically audio not working on Last of Us Part 1. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.